Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to load data from a CSV file into Power BI desktop. So let's start. I've got this Power BI desktop open here with me, and we'll learn how to point it to a CSV file and get that data. So on the home tab on the Power BI desktop, I click on get data, and then here I go into text and CSV, which is an option available. And then I point it to where my CSV files are sitting on my local machine. It could be on local machine or shared drive for you. And from here I'll look at dim product, so I'll get that table. So I click open, and you can see it shows me the data. And now what we'll do is we'll do some form of transformation before we load this data. So instead of loading, I'll just click on transform data, and when I click on transform data, you can see on the top left it is showing me the Power Query editor, where it says that here I can go and do transforms and do other steps. So you can see the steps on the right. So far it has just found the source, and then it just defined the data types for these columns. So let's say I will call this the product key column. And you can see on the right hand side, the moment I hit enter on the applied steps, there will be another step added, which says that I've renamed the column. And let's say I want to add another step where I want to break this up into two. So depending on where the hyphen is. So I will just go here, and instead on the home page, I'll go split column, and then I'll say by delimiter. And Power Query editor has already found out that this is the delimiter, and I don't want to be split on each occurrence. So I'll just say the leftmost occurrence, and I'll hit OK. So you can see there's another step which has been added on the right hand side, and it has divided this into two columns. And then if I say close and apply, it will replicate these steps and give me this data in Power BI desktop. So we'll just quickly wait. So this is the one we've created. The earlier one is an experiment I was playing with before we got into this. So you can see that it's got the product key column 2, column 2.2, and so on. Now from here, let's say I want to make further modifications to this. I can go on to transform data. So this is the way to access the query editor again, and click on transform data. And you can see this becomes, so let's just go delete dim product. I don't want it, and I want to keep this query, but I want to rename it to dim product only, and hit enter. And now I'll just click close and apply again. So I'll reload the data, and you can see I've just got one table called dim product, and it has all the transformations. So let's say I get more data. These steps which we have created will be re-executed by Power Query, and it will load new data to us as long as the underlying format for the data does not change. So in this video, we've essentially gone through how to load a CSV file into Power BI using the Power Query editor. And we went through and did some transforms and renamed a few column headers in this example. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Let me know if you would like me to take any specific topics. Cheers, bye.